Have you ever wondered why yawning seems so contagious? It's a common phenomenon, but why does it happen? The reason is actually quite simple. When we see someone yawn, our brains may trigger a mirroring response. This is because of special cells in our brains called mirror neurons. These neurons help us imitate others' actions, which is a part of how we learn and empathize. So, when we see someone yawn, these neurons activate and make us yawn too. It's thought to be a way for our bodies to sync up with those around us, creating a sense of connection and shared experience. So, the next time you yawn after seeing someone else yawn, remember, it's just your brain's way of keeping you connected with others.